I wish I could go to space.
As much as I want, I cannot send you to space, but I can bring the space to you.
Wow, that sounds incredible. How do we do that?
Do you want to know how?
Yes.
Let's go to the lab.
All right.
So, welcome to the lab. This is our lab where we create the interstellar medium conditions on Earth. So, do you want to know what are the components required for that?
Absolutely. I see a lot of different boxes. Let's start with this one right in front. What's in here?
Good choice. Let's see. So Lars, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, let's see.
Packing peanuts. I love those. But what's underneath?
Would you like to help me?
Yes.
Yes, so this is our vacuum chamber. Lars, do you clean all day?
Not all day, but I do clean sometimes, yes.
Okay, and do you use a vacuum cleaner?
I do use a vacuum cleaner.
And do you know how low the pressure in the vacuum cleaner is?
How low is that?
It's as low as 100 millibars.
Okay.
Yeah, and the pressure in this vacuum chamber can go down to 10 minus 10 millibars.
Wow, that's like 10 trillion times less.
Yes.
That's very impressive. I guess that's why it's so heavy, right? It's built of such thick steel to hold all that air out.
Yes, and this is the central component of our experimental setup.
Really cool. I'm not opening the bag here, and that's for a fairly good reason, right?
Yes.
We want to keep it as clean as we possibly can.
Yes, and we're not using a blouse.
All right, so I guess that's the chamber.
Yes.
We should do another box.
Do you want to open the big one?
Yes, I absolutely love opening the big ones.
Okay, let's go for it.
Not as many packing peanuts in this one, but that's all right.
Okay.
We get some paper.
Yes. Oh. This is exciting.
That is exciting. We have
Yes.
some tubes.
Yes. And
What
these
might
are small tubes.
what might tubes like this typically be used for?
It's used for connecting different vacuum components. Welcome back, Lars.
Thank you.
So, we have one more box to unbox. And are you ready for that?
I am. I'm very excited.
Let's go.
Is it right there? I see.
Yes, and here we go.
Looks like a big one. Okay.
Yes. So I'm handing over the scissors to you.
Ooh, tremendous honor. All right, I'm just gonna go right in for it.
Yes.
Oh, it has like a clip. I completely ruined that. Oh well. It's got instructions for how to unbox, but that's on the inside. Or no, that's how to build the box. No,
Okay.
let's get to the important parts.
Packing peanuts.
They're green this time. I love that. I love the variety. Let's just get them out of here. And I'm already seeing a few interesting things. These are O-rings.
Yeah.
So if I remember correctly, these create the seal for the vacuum. We'll have
That's right.
two pieces kind of smush this together, and then this goes between them.
Yeah, so that it's tightly sealed and the vacuum is protected.
Awesome. If we were putting things together, I guess we might have two pieces with this type of ending. We put one of these gaskets or these O-rings in between, and then we clamp them together to make them really solid, right?
Yes, exactly.
So this is a peculiar shape. Can you tell me what this is?
Okay, so this is the T-piece.
Wow.
Because it looks like a T, a perfect T.
That makes sense.
So it has like 1, 2, and 3 ports. which can be used in our setup.
I see there's another one of these bending pieces right here as well. Nice. It's like a macaroni or an elbow.
Yeah.
An elbow pasta, if you will.
Whew. And that was the final box that was left to unbox.
That's great. I mean, we really have a lot of stuff here. Computers, we've got, you know, these bellows, and we've got these valves, all sorts of great things. And
gaskets, clamps, T-pieces, bends, everything.
everything you could ever want for your new vacuum chamber.
Yes.
And we're going to be assembling it right here, right? In some upcoming videos, I think. So I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, stay tuned for more.
Outstanding. See you.
This vacuum chamber can go down.
Okay, this vacuum chamber can go down to 10 minus 9 as low as 10 minus 9 millibars.
Wow.
Whereas the vacuum cleaner can go down to, do you know?
I don't know.
Even I don't know. But we did.
So you don't remember either, but you
No.
started.
I thought you remember. Andrew, do you remember?
I don't know. This has nothing to do with me.
It's in the notes document.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, so I remember in the notes document it's one. So that's cool. That's another connecting piece, but this
Yes.
one's solid.
Yes, and it's a T-piece.
Not a T piece.
This one says BCF 40H.
Whatever
See?
that means. Let's have a look.
Yes.
So I think a lot of the labeling on here relates to the size. So 40 means 40 millimeters, is my understanding.
Okay. That's a very special
Bend.
yes.
Wow, we're discovering all the different exciting shapes today.
I love how it's technically actually called an elbow. You just relabeled it as the bend.
The audience doesn't know. Although we're probably going to get like the one guy from Kimbo Physics who happens to watch the video and just lose his mind. That sounds incredible. How do we do that?
Do you want to know how?
Yes.
Let's go to the lab.
All right, take two without me clapping this time.